Welcome back, and in this session of MCAT Solutions Interview Cracking Series, we are diving into the most frequently asked questions and smart answers that top recruiters expect from a mechanical design engineer. Learn how to answer with clarity, confidence, and technical precision. Interviewer: what is the difference between bolt and screw? Answer: a bolt needs a nut to fasten components, while a screw creates its own thread in the material. Interviewer: what is factor of safety FOS? Answer: FOS is the ratio of maximum load a component can handle to the actual load applied. It ensures safety against failure. Interviewer: difference between CAD and CAE? Answer: CAD is design, modeling and drafting. CAE is analysis, stress, thermal, simulations. Interviewer: what is GD and T? Answer: geometric dimensioning and tolerancing is a symbolic language to define part geometry, tolerances, and permissible variations clearly. Interviewer: what is tolerance? Answer: the permissible variation in dimension that ensures proper fit and function. Interviewer: types of fits. Answer: clearance fit, interference fit, transition fit. Interviewer: what is clearance fit? Answer: always leave space between mating parts for free movement. Interviewer: what is interference fit? Answer: mating parts are slightly larger smaller to create a tight fit. Interviewer: what is transition fit? Answer: it can result in either clearance or interference depending on tolerance limits. Interviewer: explain Young's modulus. Answer: it's the ratio of stress to strain within elastic limits of a material. Interviewer: what is stress? Answer: force per unit area. Interviewer: what is strain? Answer: deformation per unit length. Interviewer: difference between ductility and malleability. Answer: ductility drawn into wire, malleability hammered into sheets. Interviewer: what is Poisson's ratio? Answer: ratio of lateral strain to longitudinal strain. Interviewer: explain moment of inertia. Answer: it is the resistance of a section to bending or rotation. That's it for today. Remember, interviews are not just about answering questions. They're about showing your passion for design, your grasp of fundamentals, and your readiness to learn. Stay tuned for more such sessions in MCAT Solutions Interview Cracking Series, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share,